All right, so we're going to show you how to use Instagram templates. Yes, Instagram templates. And what you want to do is go to your main page right here on Instagram and click the plus sign on top here. Now, you have all your options here, but you want to pick Reel. Currently, right now, that's where they are. Now, as you can see, you have your screen here to capture your content and whatnot, but what you want to do is go to templates. It's hidden under here, but that's what you want to pick if you are looking to access templates. So let's pick that right now. And as you can see, right when you pick it, the music comes on. Based on what you pick, there's different songs. And these are all the different templates that you can use. So many that you can customize to your liking in so many different ways. And we'll show you how. So currently right now, as you can see, the music is playing. You could hear the music that's playing or see what the artist at the bottom here. But right now, we are going to show you how to customize it with your own clips. And so let's do that. So let's pick this over here. We want to use this template. You can mute it, as you can see, like that, or you could let it play. But again, we have the volume down. So now let's pick our template. We want to use this one. So we're going to use it. And now, as you can see, it gives us the option to pick our media and insert them into all these rectangles here. Now you'll notice the rectangles have times: 4 seconds, 4.6 seconds, 4.4 seconds, 4.1 seconds. These are all in seconds. So whatever media you're going to put in here, you have to know it's going to be timed. No matter how long that media is, when you insert it in here, even if it's a 15-second media, it's going to be 4 in here, unless you want to customize it that way. But right now, because you're using this template, that's how it is. Now, if you want to add your media, it's simple. As you can see, it says add media. So let's add our media here, and let's go to our folder where we want to pick stuff from. You could go to your recents, or you could actually recents, or you could go to a folder, which is really cool. So you don't have to be searching all over and trying to find content, which takes time. Now let's pick our clips. Now you can see the little circles here. That's where we hit. And as you can see, when you click it, you get to click and it picks it. One. Now it's however you pick it that it shows up. It's in order. So as you can see, the way I have it in my camera roll here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I can decide to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And as you can see, it fills it up here. Well, I might decide I don't want that order. That's not what I want. So I take all these off, and I might say I want the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well, that's simple. You go to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in that order. It's the order that you choose that it shows up in. And so we have picked 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 clips here. You see this is an empty clip, but we're just going to leave that alone. And the total of all this is what our reel is going to be when you total all these up. Okay, now let's go here. Now it takes a little bit to generate it, as you can see, but like I said, now you have 4 seconds of that clip, 4.6 seconds of this clip, 4.4 seconds of this clip, as you can see, right? And you can always add more. If we go to add media again, let's say we just want to add these two again at the end just to spice it up. Now we have the whole reel all completed, as you can see. Okay, so now let's go to next. And when we go to next here, now it gives us the opportunity, as you can see, to customize our reel. Now, again, the templates right now are under reels. If you go to posts, you can't see them. Stories, you can't see them. Under templates is where they are. And as a result, under reels, is where they are. And as a result, you can customize them as reels. So you can go to your sticker tab and start to pick stickers that you want to add to it. You can add effects to it as you want. So if we pick that effect now, you see exactly what it's doing. So it's exactly how it is when it comes to customizing your reels. And if you don't know how to customize your reels, we do have a video on that. Just look at one of our videos that shows you how to add effects and customize your reels or add stickers and whatnot. Now, we have our template that we've used And we've inserted all our media clips. And you could also use pictures. I didn't pick a picture here, but just so you know, if we were to go back here, let's say we did this and I wanted to replace it. And let's go here. And I just wanted a still, maybe just that, just to end it. See, that's a still. And when it gets there, it'll show the still. So I just don't want it to be just so you just think, oh, you know, it's just just videos we can put here. It's any form of media. You can add your videos. You can also add pictures. It's whatever works for you that goes in there, whatever spices up your content. Okay. Now, it's taken 3.9 seconds, so I'm just going to wait here so you can actually see that. You can see, yeah, so you see it plays it actually for 4 seconds, and that's a still. That's a still right there. Okay, let's go to next. Again, now you could save it. If you wanted to save this reel to your phone, you would do that. And as you can see, it's going, it's going, it's going. What it's doing is it's saving it to my camera roll. So when I go to my camera roll now, after all this is done, I will see this reel. See, it says saved the way it has been saved. So it's a good thing to try and do it before you post it. Now you have your effects, you have your circles, you have your scribble, you have your text if you want to add it to it. And then now you have your reel. You can add your captions now. And once you add your captions, you can edit your cover however you want it. And you know, to edit your cover, it's quite simple. You just scroll through, and whatever scene you like. So I kind of like this. This is a Halloween video. So we're just going to pick these ones with these nice pumpkins here, and let's say done. And as you can see, that's the cover. That's the cover that you get. So then you could write your captions, Halloween, fun. There we go. And those are our captions. You can add your hashtags. And once you hit share, bingo. That's how you could do it, just by using the templates already. Now, how superb is that? Because now you don't have to pick the clips. You don't have to cut them short. You don't have to do all that stuff. The templates help you automatically by doing that. So that's how you can use Instagram templates to create your reels. If this was helpful, like and subscribe. And follow us because we always have a lot of videos, whether it's in digital marketing or how to use apps that could be helpful for you. Take care.